Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model TM-2 or Tool Room Mill 2. Serial number 1052050. This machine was new in 2006 and we're gonna run her for you. Machine has a 10.5 by 57 3/4 inch table, 1,000 pound table capacity. Right now we are running at 1,000 RPM, going up. (3,000 RPM. It has a top speed of 3,500 RPM. Nice and quiet. Machine has 40 inches of X-axis travel, 16 of Y and 16 of Z. Again, this is a Cat 40 spindle. It has a 20 tool, automatic tool changer, umbrella style. We're assembling another one. You have hand wheels for your X and Y axes as well. Cooling system. All right. Machine is equipped with rigid tapping, quick code, DNC enabled, and advanced tool management. Again, all the axes are functional. Thank you for watching our video.